Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have to discuss about with the day 8. So in day 8, the video covers as mainly mid-course project. So this is like the case study type. So in this case study, mainly till day 7 we have covered. From day 1 to day 7 we have covered some topics. So those topics we had to cover in day 8 for the case study type. So that is half our 15 days SQL series, half of the part covered. So this half of the part covered as in day 8 case study part. So for this case study, we had to cover as mainly uh, some up to around 10 to 12 queries, okay, based on the video length. Okay. So my intention is I will cover as around 14 queries. Okay, let's look into this one. So first of all, for these queries, what are all the tables are required? So those tables uh, we are performing to this creation tables, right? So creation tables and insert the data. So these tables are film table first of all and insert data, categories table and insert data, actors table and film actor table, addresses, customers and sales table, revenue, payments. Okay, so these tables are covering by in the below queries. Okay, so let's look into the first query. So the first query is mainly distinct replacement costs. So by using the distinct keyword to display the replacement cost. So mainly this query is to retrieve all the unique replacement costs from the films table. So here we are using the with the film table and orders them in the ascending order. Okay. So let's try to write with this one. So first I will try to write as select from films. So we are getting with film table this distinct replacement costs. Now I will write as distinct replacement cost, distinct replacement cost from films. If I execute this one, I will get the distinct replacement cost. Okay. Now for this one, we have to write as so order by. Okay. So order by is mainly based on replacement cost ascending order. Okay. Here I will write as order by replacement cost ASC. So if I execute this part, I'll get the output this way. So this query mainly to retrieve with the unique replacement costs from the film table and orders them in the ascending order. It helps identify all the distinct values for replacement costs. So let's look into second query. Second query is mainly films grouped by replacement cost range. So this range is mainly replacement cost range. So the range called as mainly like categorizes the films into different cost ranges. So the cost ranges like low, medium, high, and other. So based on the replacement cost and counts the number of films in each category. Okay. So let's try to this one. First, I will write the table name, select from. So this one we are getting the films table. Okay. Now here in select part, we had to categorize the cost range. So that is case when replacement cost when replacement cost between 9.99 and 19.99, then low. Okay. So this is the one condition. Similarly, another one is like medium. So here I will write as from 20 to 24.99, then medium. Same thing. High. So high range is from 25 to 29, else other. Okay. And as cost range. So let's look into this one. First of all, I'm getting cost ranges like this way, low, medium, and this way. And with the cost range, I want the number of films like count. Okay. So for that, count of star as number of films. So let's execute this one. Okay. So if I write the count, then we'll write the group by. Okay, right. So group by. So group by this entire thing we'll write cost range. Okay. So this end part will continue. Okay. Now we'll try to execute this part. So the group by in each category. Okay. So in group by, cost and count the number of films in each category. Okay. So in each category, cost range low. So low, number of films 6, medium is 2. So this is the output. Next thing, drama or sports films ordered by length. Drama or sports films order by length. So this query mainly to retrieve the film titles, length, and their category names for film categorized as drama or sports and order by length in descending order. Okay. So first we'll try to write the select part. Select from films F. Now in select part 2, we need F dot title, F dot length. Now this films table we have to join to other table, that is categories. So these categories called as the drama or sports will be covered as in the categories table. So let's join the table. Join categories C on condition is F dot category ID equal to C dot category ID. Okay. Let's join the condition first, execute this one. Okay, I am getting the title and length. Okay, up to this one, fine. Now I want category name also. C dot category name. Okay, let's try to see the category name. Yeah. So drama film as drama, sports film as sports. Okay. like this error. Now we have to apply with the where condition. That is where condition called as the category name is in either drama or sports, where c dot category name in. So by using in operator, I am writing two conditions here in the same thing. So here drama, comma, sports. Okay. So right, I'm getting only drama and sports. Earlier, all the categories is came. Now I will apply with the order by. Finally, order by based on length DESC. Okay. So this is the title, length, category name. We get the order by. So finally, this query we have to receive as so title, length, category name for films categorized as so drama or sports, order by length in descending order. Okay. Next, count of movies in each category. So count of movies in each category called as so mainly this query is so to count the number of movies in each category and orders the results the number of movies in descending order. Okay, so let's try to write this one. First select part from films F. So films F is fine. Now here we need categories also. So because of count of movies in each category. Okay, so we need count from film ID and count of that category name wise. Okay, so let's join this one. Join categories C on F dot category ID equal to C dot category ID. Okay, and now select part. I will write C dot category name, comma, count of F dot film ID as number of movies let's if I write the category name, right? So here group by category name, group by category name, and order by number of movies as descending order. Let's execute this one. Okay, so I'm getting count of movies in each category. So for it is drama has 3 number of movies count, comedy 2, sports 2, horror 1. Okay, this is one. Next one is the fifth one, actor movie count. So actor movie count called as mainly. So this query counts the number of movies in each actor appears and orders the results by the movie count in descending order. Okay. So this one also like relating to first actor table, and film actor is providing with the film IDs. Okay. So let's try to look into this one. Select from actors A, join film actor FA on A dot actor ID equal to FA dot actor ID. So this is the on condition. Now select part is A dot first name, comma A dot last name, and comma count is film ID, FA dot film ID as movie count. Okay. Now, so here we written the A dot first name and last name. So the same thing we'll write as in group by. So group by first name and last name, and finally order by movie count. This one. So the same thing DASC. So let's execute this part. I'm getting first name, last name, and movie count. Okay. So finally, this query counts the number of movies in each actor appears. So each actor called as actor name, first name, and last name. Susan Davis, 4 movies. Okay. Next, addresses not associated with any customer. Addresses not associated with any customer. So not associated called as mainly to find the addresses that do not have any associated customers by performing a left join between addresses and customers. Okay. So here we had to consider as the tables called as so addresses and customers. Let's try to write select from addresses A left join will add customers C on. So A dot address ID equal to C dot address ID. Select part is A dot address, comma A dot city, comma A dot country. Okay. Now we'll execute this part. We are getting this one. So this is the result. Here, in case if any null values are there in this query, so that we'll write as, so for time being, my sample data, there is no null values. But in real time, if any null values are there, so how we had to handle the null values? So where customer ID is null, that's it. And okay, so this is the same query. Next one, city with most sales. City with most sales is most sales called as how we'll deal this one. This query mainly to identify the city with highest total sales. So by summing the sales amount and ordering the results in descending order. So first, basically, what we can do to sum of the amount with as the total sales. So that is group by with city. So city with most sales. So most sales called as we had to take as in select part we had to take as city and sum of amount as total sales. Group by with city. Okay. Finally, we had to filter the top one, most sales, limit one or top one. So let's write select from sales. Yes. Join with customers. C on C dot customer ID equal to S dot customer ID. Okay. So join condition is over. Now select part. So select part I have written as C A dot city, comma, and sum of amount. Amount is S dot amount as total sales. Okay. So select parties. One is we are getting city and sum of amount as total sales and join condition written. Now we have to write as group by. Group by is mainly A dot city. City and order by total sales. DESC. Okay. And up to this one fine. And one more thing is we had to get with the this city part as from the addresses. I think here this is the sales part, amount is fine, and customers is city is not covered. So then we had to join as this one join, right? So this join to addresses. Addresses A on A dot address ID equal to C dot address ID. Okay. So now we'll get with the this city. If I comment this and execute this one. Okay. So I'm getting C A dot cities could not be found. So that is the reason I have joined with the addresses. So if I execute this one, now I am getting with the city wise total sales. Now we want only the most sales. So most sales COALESCE, that is top one. Okay. Now I will, or in, if you are executing Postgre or any other database, just write as limit one. Okay. Now I am getting the top one as Saint Denis 120. Okay. So this is the mainly this query identifies the city with the highest total sales by summing. Next, country city with least sales. So same thing, but we have least sales. Okay. So list sales COALESCE earlier we have done with the order by DESC. Now we have to perform as this as ascending. Okay. So if you are ascending with the total sales, then it is reverse. So now I will try to write as this one. Okay. So, and one more thing is here, above one is only city with most sales, but here country city with the least sales. Okay. So now I will update this part. Concat A dot country, comma, will give the one comma and again comma. Okay. Now A dot city will close here. This one as country city. Okay. Country city. So up to this one, what concat is getting called as, so we will get the two columns merging, like concating, mixing. So country and city, that is country city, and sum of amount as the total sales from sales table, customers and addresses. Now we had to group by with here two columns we had to group by here. One more is A dot country city. Okay. And order by we had to change this one ASC, ascending order. Now we'll execute this one. Now I'm getting United States as the country. Tallahassee is the city name. So within the city, I'm getting the least sales. Right. Next one. Average sales amount per customer by staff. So average sales amount per customer by staff. Mainly this query calculates the average sales amount per customers for each staff member and identifies the staff member with the highest average. Okay, let's look into this query and we'll identify this one. Select from, I'm getting the sales part. Sales, yes. Okay. Now I will get the this one s dot staff ID. And we want average sales, average sales amount by per customer by staff. So average of s dot amount, that is sales amount, as average sales per customer. Okay. Now from part is done, and here I have written the average. So that is select part we had to write as group by. So group by is s dot staff ID. Okay. If I execute this one, I'm getting this one average sales, and this one we need order by. So order by average sales customer DESC. Okay. So now this is the average sales amount per customer by staff ID. Right. Next one is here one thing is missing. Okay. I will write as 10th one. 10th one as average daily revenue of all Sundays. Average daily revenue of all Sundays. So mainly this query is to calculate the average daily revenue for Sundays by filtering for Sunday, that is using date part, and calculate the average amount. Let's write this one. First select from revenue table. Okay. And now select part is, so we want average of amount as average of Sunday revenue. We will filter it this one. Just for time being, I'm writing with the average Sunday revenue. Actually, we have to filter this Sunday. Now, where part? Where date part? Here weekday, comma revenue date. From the revenue date, will extract with the weekday. Okay. So for that weekday, Sunday equals to 1. So Sunday means that is the 1. So 1 as the Sunday. So from that weekday, we'll get the 1. Okay. So this is the average of Sunday. Next, movies longer than average length. Movies longer than the average length in each replacement cost group. So that is mainly this query is to find the movies that are longer than the average length of movies. So longer than the average length of movies called as, that is length greater than average of length. Okay. And with each replacement cost group using correlated subquery. Okay. Let's find this one. First of all, we'll write as select part from films F1. Okay. Now I want select part as title and length, comma replacement cost. Okay. Now This up to this one fine. Here where length greater than. So length is greater than of average of length. So that average of length will write as in subquery. Select average of length from films F2. Okay. In this, we'll write the where condition. The where condition is F1 dot replacement cost equal to F2 dot replacement cost and close the subquery. Okay. So if I execute, I am getting the move is longer than the average length in each replacement cost group. So each replacement cost group is this one. So average length greater than average of length. Okay. This is next one is next one, average customer lifetime value grouped by district. So this is simple one only. Average. So first we had to calculate the average customer. That is average of total spent. That is called as average customer lifetime value for each district. So for each district called as, so that is group by district and order by average customer lifetime value is in descending order. So select from customers. This one fine. Now we have to group by. So group by we are doing district wise. So same thing I will apply in the select part. District, comma, average of total spent. So this one as average of customer lifetime spelling. Lifetime value. Now order by this one DSC. So now I am getting with district wise average, right? And last one, payments with total amount by film category. Payments with total amount by film category. So that is, so first we had to this query is first list the payments along with the total amount for each film category using join. Okay, and grouping by payment ID and category name. So here what are all the tables called as mainly first one payments, that is by default. Then we had to join to these categories we need. So join to categories. Okay, and again we had to use with the this payments only will join. Okay, first we'll write the this part. Select from payments P. Let's join first categories C on P dot category ID equal to C dot category ID. Up to this one fine, right? Now select a part P dot payment ID, comma, P dot amount, comma, C dot category name, comma, and here we have provided as sum. So this sum we are getting with so again we are writing the sum, right? So that is we'll write as like this way. First we'll write as fee dot amount as total amount. Okay, total amount. Sum just group by. So group by GRO group by. So we'll write as payment ID, payment amount, and category name. Okay, and order by. Okay, order by later we'll see. First, I will execute this part. Okay, I'm getting payment ID, amount, category name, and total amount. So for this, I will write as category name C dot category name, comma P dot payment ID as ascending order. This one, and this one also ascending order. Okay. Now I'm getting payment ID, amount as so ascending order, category name, and total amount, drama and sports. Okay. So this is the today's mid-course project case study. Totally 13 queries covered. I think around 40 minutes time taken this video. So I will share this file in the Google Drive link. Okay, let's explore this and look into that one. And thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.